Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of mattresses, specifically one that's making waves in the market. If you're in search of the best low mattress out there, look no further than the Nectar Premier Twin Mattress. Let's uncover why this mattress stands out from the rest. Meet the Nectar Premier Twin Mattress, a 13-inch marvel designed to deliver unparalleled comfort and support. What sets this mattress apart? Well, let's start with its construction. With 5 layers of comfort, including therapeutic gel memory foam, this mattress ensures a restful night's sleep for every kind of sleeper. Whether you prefer a soft cradle or firm support, the Nectar Premier has got you covered. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to sweaty nights with the dual-action cooling technology. The mattress cover, infused with Active Cool HD, actively regulates your body temperature, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout the night. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the Nectar Premier's quality, comfort, and sleep-inducing properties. From reducing back pain to improving sleep quality, this mattress has earned the trust of thousands of satisfied sleepers. So, let's recap what makes the Nectar Premier Twin Mattress the best low mattress on the market. 5 layers of comfort for personalized support. Therapeutic gel memory foam for a cool and comfortable sleep. Dual-action cooling technology to prevent overheating. 365-night home trial for peace of mind. Forever warranty for long-term satisfaction. There you have it, folks. The Nectar Premier Twin Mattress, a game-changer in the world of sleep. If you're ready to experience the ultimate in comfort and support, click the link in the description to get your very own Nectar Premier today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, sleep tight and dream big.